I want to thank the guys at Earthbreeze for sending me these sheets. These are laundry sheets. The reason that I asked for these is because I'm trying to stay away from all kinds of harmful chemicals, and my my detergents, I'm trying for them to be as earth friendly as possible. So that's why I asked for this that has no parabens, no phosphates, no bleach, no nothing. This is for people that have sensitive skin, right? Or for people like me that don't want to have harmful chemicals in their food, in their showers, in anything that touches your skin. So first of all, oh my god, this smells so good. It's good and fresh. There's 30 sheets here. Every sheet is for 2 loads, and then it gives you, so this is half a sheet. So you put it in there and it dissolves really nice, right? Now if you have a big like a wash, then you put 2 of them. Wow. Smells good. You put 2 of them there, right? And then you do your wash and it dissolves. There's not going to be any residue, and then what you want to feel confident is that you will not have to worry about being irritant, because it is trying to prevent all those harmful chemicals that could be irritants to the skin, especially if you have kids, or if you have, the immunodepressant people that you want to make sure that they're not exposed to any harmful chemicals. That's when you buy these kinds of products. And of course you try to filter your water, and you try to do as much as you can in order to have the healthiest experience ever. So let's breathe. It smells so good. Thank you for sending this.